This is why you need Yoga Nidra. Today, we're going to explore the wonderful practice of Yoga Nidra, a transformative technique that can bring profound relaxation and peace. This ancient practice has been cherished for centuries and is now gaining popularity in modern wellness circles for its incredible benefits. Yoga Nidra, often referred to as yogic sleep, is an ancient practice that guides you into a state of conscious relaxation. It's like a deep sleep for your mind, where you remain aware and present. Imagine drifting into a state where your body is completely at rest, but your mind is still alert and aware. This practice helps you relax deeply and feel incredibly calm. Unlike other forms of meditation, Yoga Nidra is easy to do and doesn't require any prior experience. You simply lie down, close your eyes, and follow the guided instructions. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. It's a fantastic way to reduce stress, find inner peace, and rejuvenate your mind and body. Many people find that it helps them feel more centered and balanced in their daily lives. The practice can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with anxiety, insomnia, or chronic stress. Unlike regular sleep, where you might wake up feeling groggy, Yoga Nidra leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. It's a unique state where you stay awake but deeply relaxed. This state of conscious relaxation allows your body to heal and your mind to reset. During Yoga Nidra, you remain conscious and aware, allowing you to experience a profound level of relaxation that is both restorative and healing. This heightened state of awareness can also lead to greater self-awareness and personal growth. This deep relaxation helps to release tension and stress from your body and mind, promoting overall well-being and tranquility. As you practice, you'll find that your ability to relax deeply improves, and the benefits extend into your daily life. By practicing Yoga Nidra, you give your mind and body the opportunity to rest and rejuvenate, which can lead to improved mental clarity and emotional stability. Over time, regular practice can help you develop a more resilient and balanced approach to life's challenges. Think of Yoga Nidra as a powerful tool in your wellness toolkit. It's accessible to everyone and can be practiced anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even during a break at work, you can easily incorporate this practice into your routine. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra can help you manage stress more effectively, improve your sleep quality, and bring a sense of balance and harmony to your life. The more you practice, the more you'll notice these positive changes. The beauty of Yoga Nidra is that it can be done anywhere, at home, in a park, or even during a break at work. All you need is a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. You don't need any special equipment, just a comfortable place to lie down. You just need 10 minutes and an open mind to start experiencing the benefits of this practice. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. Even a short session can leave you feeling more relaxed and rejuvenated. So, let's begin our journey into relaxation with a simple 10-minute Yoga Nidra session. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's start. Remember, the key is to stay present and follow the guidance. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support our channel. Enjoy your Yoga Nidra session. We hope this practice brings you peace and relaxation. Find a quiet, comfy spot where no one will bother you. Lie on your back on a yoga mat or your bed. Use pillows and blankets to get comfy. Close your eyes gently. Take some deep breaths. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Breathe out slowly through your nose. As you breathe, let go of any tension. Relax your muscles, soften your gaze, let go of any thoughts or worries. Focus on your breathing. Now, we're ready to start our Yoga Nidra. In Yoga Nidra, we have a special goal called a sankalpa. This is a powerful intention or resolve that you set for yourself. It is a seed you plant in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, which can grow and manifest in your life. The practice of setting a sankalpa is not just about making a wish. It is about making a commitment to yourself. It is a promise you make to your own heart and soul, a promise to align your actions with your deepest desires and highest aspirations. It's a positive saying to guide you. Your sankalpa should be a short, positive, and affirming statement that resonates deeply with you. It is a declaration of your true nature and your highest aspirations. When you craft your sankalpa, think about what truly matters to you. What are the qualities you wish to cultivate in your life? What are the changes you want to see in yourself? Your sankalpa is a reflection of your innermost values and dreams. Choose a sankalpa that feels right for you. Take your time to reflect on what you truly want to achieve or embody in your life. It could be related to your health, your relationships, your personal growth, or your spiritual journey. There is no rush in this process. Allow yourself the space to explore your heart's desires. Sometimes, the perfect sankalpa will come to you in a moment of clarity, while other times, it may take days or even weeks of contemplation. It can be a short phrase or a wish. For example, you might choose something like, I am at peace, I am grateful, or I am strong. The key is to keep it simple and positive. The simplicity of your sankalpa is what gives it power. A short, clear statement is easier for your mind to grasp and hold on to, especially during the deep relaxation of Yoga Nidra. For example, your sankalpa could be, I am peaceful, I am thankful, or I am strong. These statements are powerful because they affirm a positive state of being and help you focus your mind on what you want to cultivate in your life. When you repeat these affirmations, you are not just saying words. You are invoking a state of being. You are calling forth the qualities you wish to embody and inviting them into your life. Say your sankalpa to yourself 3 times. Repeating it helps to embed it deeply into your subconscious mind. You can say it silently or out loud, whichever feels more comfortable for you. The repetition of your sankalpa is a way of reinforcing your intention. Each time you say it, you are planting the seed deeper into the fertile soil of your subconscious, where it can take root and grow. Feel it in your heart. As you say your sankalpa, connect with the feeling of it being true. Imagine what it would feel like to embody this intention fully. Let this feeling fill your heart and mind. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. When you can see and feel your sankalpa as already true, you are aligning your energy with the reality you wish to create. Your sankalpa is like planting a seed. Just as a seed needs the right conditions to grow, your intention needs your belief and commitment. Nurture it with positive thoughts and actions. Think of your sankalpa as a living entity that requires your care and attention. The more you nurture it with your positive energy and actions, the more it will flourish. As you relax, this seed will grow. During Yoga Nidra, your mind enters a state of deep relaxation, which is the perfect environment for your sankalpa to take root and flourish. In this state, your mind is open and receptive, making it easier for your sankalpa to penetrate deeply and begin to manifest in your life. It will help you become what you want to be. Over time, as you continue to practice and reinforce your sankalpa, you will start to see changes in your thoughts, behaviors, and ultimately, your life. The transformation may be subtle at first, but with consistent practice, you will notice a shift in your inner and outer world. Your sankalpa is a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. Now let's move to the next part. Remember, your sankalpa is a powerful tool for transformation. Use it wisely and with intention. As you continue your journey, keep your sankalpa close to your heart. Let it be a guiding light that leads you towards your highest potential and deepest fulfillment. Think about your body. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if it feels right for you, and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. Feel the air filling your lungs, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Imagine the worries of the day melting away with each breath. We're going to do a body scan. This practice will help you become more aware of your physical sensations and bring a sense of calm and relaxation to your mind and body. It's a journey of self-discovery and mindfulness. As we embark on this journey, remember that there is no right or wrong way to feel. Each sensation is a part of your unique experience. Starting with your right foot, think about each part of your body. Feel the connection of your foot to the ground, the texture beneath your skin. Notice any sensations, whether they are subtle or pronounced. Perhaps you feel the coolness of the ground or the warmth of the sun. Maybe there's a slight tingling or a sense of pressure. Whatever you feel, just observe it. Notice how each part feels. Is there warmth, coolness, tingling, or pressure? Perhaps there's a sense of relaxation or tension. Whatever you feel, acknowledge it without judgment. This is your body's way of communicating with you. Embrace these sensations as part of your experience without trying to change them. You might feel warm, cool, tingly, or pressure. These sensations are your body's way of communicating with you. Embrace them as part of your experience. As you continue to scan your body, remember to breathe deeply and slowly. Each breath helps you stay connected to the present moment. Slowly move your attention up your right leg. Feel the muscles, the bones, and the skin. Notice the sensations in your toes, foot, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip. Each part has its own unique feeling. Take your time with each area, allowing yourself to fully experience the sensations. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to the sensations in your body. Notice your toes, foot, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip. Take your time with each area, allowing yourself to fully experience the sensations. Feel the connection of each part to the rest of your body. Notice how the muscles and bones work together to support you. Then, move to your left foot and do the same thing with your left leg. Feel the connection to the ground, the texture, and the sensations. Notice your toes, foot, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip. Each part is important in this journey. As you scan your left leg, compare the sensations to those in your right leg. Are they similar or different? Just observe without judgment. Keep going with your whole body. Move your attention to your pelvis, tummy, chest, back, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, neck, head, and face. Each part has its own story to tell. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Feel the tension or relaxation in your shoulders. Observe the sensations in your hands and fingers. Notice your pelvis, tummy, chest, back, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, neck, head, and face. Feel the sensations, the warmth, the coolness, the tingling, or the pressure. Each sensation is a part of your body's communication. As you scan each part, imagine sending a wave of relaxation to that area. Allow any tension to melt away. Don't try to change anything. Simply observe and acknowledge. This practice is about awareness and acceptance. By being present with your body, you cultivate a sense of inner peace and relaxation. This is a time for you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. Just notice how each part feels. Allow yourself to be present with these sensations without judgment or the need to alter them. This practice helps you develop a deeper understanding of your body and its needs. It encourages self-compassion and mindfulness. This helps you connect with your body and relax. By being mindful of your physical sensations, you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, promoting relaxation and well-being. This journey of body awareness is a step towards greater mindfulness and inner peace. Remember, this practice is always available to you whenever you need to reconnect with yourself. Section 5. Noticing your breath. Now think about your breath. Notice how you breathe in and out. Don't try to change your breath. Just notice it. Feel your tummy move with each breath. Notice the cool air coming in and the warm air going out. If you start thinking about other things, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Your breath helps you stay in the present moment. It calms you down and helps you relax. Section 6. Exploring opposites. Let's explore opposite feelings. First, think about feeling heavy. Imagine sinking into the mat or bed. Feel the weight of your body. Now think about feeling light. Imagine floating like a feather. Feel light and easy. Next, think about hot and cold. Notice any warm spots in your body. Now notice any cool spots. This helps you understand your body and mind better. Section 7. Imagining a peaceful place. Imagine a peaceful place in nature. It could be a beach, a forest, a mountain, or any place you find calming. Imagine it clearly. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you feel? Use all your senses. Feel the warm sun, the gentle breeze, and the soft ground. Hear the sounds of nature like birds and waves. Enjoy this peaceful place. Section 8. Coming back. Gently bring your attention back to your body. Notice how your body feels on the mat or bed. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take some deep breaths. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Remember your sankalpa. Say it to yourself 3 times. When you're ready, open your eyes. Notice how you feel. You might feel more relaxed and calm. Keep this peaceful feeling with you all day. Section 9. Conclusion. Feeling the calm. Well done, you finished your 10-minute Yoga Nidra. The more you practice, the easier it gets to relax deeply. Make Yoga Nidra a regular habit. Do it anytime you feel stressed, want to sleep better, or just want some peace. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Namaste.